Hello. Today we will assemble Best Choice Products single-tier garden bed. Let us first review the parts necessary for assembly. If any pieces or parts are missing or misplaced, please contact our customer service at customerservice@bestchoiceproducts.com. Link in the description below. Step 1. Arrange and connect parts A, B, C, and D so that they appear like so. Step 2. With the remaining 7 B parts, slide the boards into place like so. Step 3. Slide the remaining 8 A parts into place like so. Step 4. Place E parts and use F part screws to attach E parts atop parts C and D. A 3mm Phillips head screwdriver will be needed. Repeat these steps atop all 6 parts. And with that, you have completed assembly of Best Choice Products single-tier garden bed. Please ask any questions in the comments section below.